All right, we camped last night, and I don't remember where we camped. Maybe we'll put it on the screen somewhere here. But now we are going on Black Bear Pass today, and I am super excited. We're finally doing the Black Bear Pass that everyone has talked about. This is our crew we've got here today. Hunter and Rachel in their JL Rubicon here. Of course, Kevin and me. And Chris and Kirsten in their, what is this that I'm looking at? I don't see Jeep anywhere on it.
What kind of Jeep is this?
It's a big Jeep.
I don't hear you singing. Hello.
Welcome to Colorado Off-Road. That's guitar. Colorado Off-Road. That's 80s like rock. Good roll.
It sounds just like a guitar. I can hardly tell.
I have.
What's up, Kevin?
No, it's an electric guitar.
Oh. Okay.
And there's no way to there's no way to like fake those sounds. Okay, so right here, where you're looking at, the link had just popped off. There's a cotter pin that keeps that pole onto the little stubby on the right in the circle. I didn't have a cotter pin large enough, or excuse me, small enough. It was a pretty small hole, but I have one of Kim's old bobby pins, as you can see, and that fit through, and it was enough to keep the transfer case linkage together, which is an easy fix. You know, when you get home and it worked the rest of the trail. Now you can go into 4 low because we started to get to the steep parts right here.
The dogs are training for like sunglass shades.
Well, and because stuff gets in their eyes when they're driving or something? What was that?
Yeah, so they can be out with their eyes open, out in the wind, but also for sunglasses.
That's hilarious.
So cute, though. Today we are with Chris and Kirsten. You saw in the Land Cruiser 80 series?
Yes. Land Cruiser 80 series.
Is that how we say that? 80 series?
Yeah, 80 series Land Cruiser. Only people who know what Land Cruisers are will know 80 series. It's just a Toyota Land Cruiser on 35-inch tires with a lift. Pretty popular platform, pretty capable, pretty cool.
And they have those adorable dogs, Joplin and
Yodel. The Husky.
And Hunter. We're with Hunter and Rachel and their JL. Rachel is driving this to get her Black Bear Pass, her Black Bear sticker, her Black Bear, what do you call that?
Trail badge.
Trail badge. And obviously us in our TJ.
So Black Bear, this trail has been pretty fun so far. It's lots of just views after views. This is the only thing that I would call an obstacle besides the steps at the very end, which are just little drop-offs. If you have an off-road vehicle, Black Bear is just a road. If you have a vehicle that's more comfortable on the road than it is off-road, then yeah, it will be a fun, challenging drive. But if you are used to off-roading, and if you're used to hard trails, and if you have a vehicle that's equipped for, like I said, if you have a vehicle that can, if it's more comfortable on the hard trails than it is on the road like mine, this trail's easy. 4 or 5 out of 10.
Screwed.
So what are you thinking of Black Bear Pass first time around?
So this trail's amazing. It would be more fun if it was like there are like obstacles like in Moab on the trail, so it was like rock climbing with these views, but it's still amazing and the views are amazing, and I can't believe how quickly we gain elevation. And it sucks that right now everything's smoky because of the Pine Gulch fire in Grand Junction. Oh, that's my hair.
Camping hair.
Camping hair don't care.
Camping hair don't care. Jeep off-road adventure hair don't care. This trail is, I think it's one of the best scenic trails. I definitely understand why everyone talks about coming out here.
Oh,
and
yeah.
why they say you have to do black bear. It is pretty amazing.
Scenic. 10 out of 10. For sure.
A lot of these views, you'll see that the sky is really hazy and just white. It's because this is recorded during the Pine View. Pine
Gulch Fire.
Pine View.
Yeah, we just talked about that.
The Pine Gulch Fire.
That went on for how long? And burned how many acres in the end?
Months. 2 months, 3 months.
I think so.
And it was the biggest ever. I think it
The biggest
reached
in
the biggest
Colorado.
ever. 177,000 acres, 180,000. It was big. It was, I think it was 177. It was the largest ever in Colorado history, so the smoke was insane. And we live 7 miles from its easternly border. Luckily, the firefighters were able to keep it contained. It didn't ever threaten our house or anything, but it was still very scary. 217 meters square. I don't know.
Yeah.
I need acres. This is America. This Cherokee right here.
You should just record yourself saying 139,007.
Oh, 139,007 acres.
Just so you can.
139,007 acres. So this Cherokee, we don't know what they're doing. Obviously, they're from out of state, as you can see with the license plate. Those are right.
Oh, from our good old alma mater.
Utah. I call it Putah to my friends.
Oh, he's not kidding.
Because it's pooey. It's a poop. It's a poop place.
It's a laugh every time. 50% of the time.
Obviously that Cherokee, it was very scary watching them.
So
we
guys,
thought they were going to go any minute.
Told you about black bear. Easy road, expert consequences.
One of you guys with
Be extremely very
UTVs, are you
careful.
guys-
This happened right in front of me. He climbed the wall.
You guys both with the
And this is on that spot where everybody freaks out right before Telluride.
separate UTVs.
Luckily, he's safe.
Okay. Yeah, at least we
He's got a welt on his head. That's it. So yeah, we're having to turn around on the one way.
So we can get
Go back up.
because we think we might.
Try to make it back to Ouray.
White Jeep is looks like they.
Serious, guys. Be careful out there. This is, I don't know how many rolls that I've counted this year.
Well, you guys can get up there and we'll stop anybody
Be
that's
careful.
coming.
Heard when you meet someone on the trail and you're not really, you don't really think what they're doing is a good idea. You can't just, police people on the trail.
Yeah, I wish we could, and I'm sure some people do, but some people don't want to be told what to do.
Yeah. Yeah, and they made it down. I mean,
they're fine.
They did it.
And that guy was
so,
willing
like,
to sacrifice his body
can't
to
say
stop them
much.
from rolling. So
Oh, that was the scariest part.
I know. Yeah, this is what they were going down right here. What I'm.
Yeah. Made it down to the waterfalls, and there's a Mercedes over here with a flat tire. No worries. So we come across another vehicle that maybe shouldn't have been on this trail.
So as you can see, this Mercedes came down the steps. They drove all the way from Texas. We love when people come to see our state, and we especially love when they mess it up.
Yeah, and Hunter and Chris are
They're from Texas, yeah. And
Hunter,
so they
Chris,
were,
Kirsten, Rachel.
They were loving this. As you can see, though, they didn't have the best time. I wouldn't call this Mercedes an off-road vehicle. It has low profile tires, very large. I think those are 19 or 20 inch wheels. It's long, it's low, it has a ton of front overhang. Look how low that front is. That's like 3 inches off the ground. The front of our vehicles are feet off the ground.
There are plenty of warning signs, so I have a hard time having a lot of sympathy for them.
But they left a note on it, and I don't think it's there now, and I'm sure it costs a lot to get down. I don't know. I don't know who does that, but remember, if you're watching this, please subscribe, push the thumbs up button. If you're not going to do either, at least subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers before our channel can do anything with YouTube. It's not even considered a real channel until it has 1,000. So it'll really be helpful. But while you're down there, might as well do the thumbs up. So
And you might as well do the notification button.
might as well do it all.
We're
a mom and pop shop here. We're a small town operation.
Lately, it's been shorter time than a month. Since our last
From the last ones,
I
it's been?
said vehicle instead of
Videos.
video.
Is it less than a month from my last one?
It's been less than a month since our last one.
Wow, that's a treat for the
Yeah.
viewers.
So
Well,
call your dad
as
this
a
time.
reward,
and check up on him and
Yeah,
tell
call
him
your
to
grandma.
subscribe.
remember to call your grandma because you probably didn't last time. You never. I know it's boring to talk to them, but they're lonely. So remember to call them. Don't roll rocks. Call your dad when you're done. Tell him that you found this awesome channel called Colorado Off-Road on YouTube's. Tell him to subscribe. That's it. Just watch all the videos. Go back to the beginning and watch everyone. Is that a weird request?
Not
That's
at
fine.
all. It's not asking too much.
Yeah, it's a quarantine. Just watch all the videos, everyone, please. I'll give you a kiss.
Don't judge us from the beginning ones. Yeah, that sounds great.
Hilarious prank. The rock roll prank. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the rock roll prank, where we're gonna roll rocks down on unsuspecting people and smash up their rigs.
That sounds great.
Just kidding. Don't ever roll rocks. Don't ever.
Just when I thought it couldn't get more crazy, we start going down these final switchbacks.
Yeah, these switchbacks are a lot of fun. And the view is insane.
And it is raining.
Well,
and
it's like sprinkling.
Well, rain is rain when you have like a soft top on and, you know, none of the windows in. So, always fun. Always a fun time in the Jeep.